Hello children, good morning, good afternoon, good evening whenever you're watching my video. And in today's video, I would like to share very important message or you can say an important information that you are going to get your French exam this time in midterm assessment, and that would be of 20 marks. You'll be getting 20 questions, multiple choice questions, and you need to tick one of them for giving your answer. And you have to attempt all 20 questions. You are not supposed to skip or leave anything. And besides that, you have to submit your book. I would repeat, your book. You need to do all the back exercises of the chapters that we have done till yet, and you need to submit as in the form of an image. You can click a photo and you can send it to me on WhatsApp or email, and I will give you marks out of 5 for your work. So don't forget to get your 5 marks and rush towards your books and complete your work. In today's class, I would like to tell you that we are going to start with the group of verbs today. From chapter 3, we are going to do group of verbs. Right? There are 3 group of verbs that are verbs. Number 1, that is so we have 3 type of verbs. Number 1, er ending, ir ending, and re ending. Right? Verbs, we have already done few verbs in the previous class. So there are 3 group of verbs. Number 1 is er ending. All the verbs which are having er in the end of the verb, right? Like pahle, aimer, regarder, they are ending with er, though we don't speak or pronounce r, right? So all the er ending verbs have a similar rule for the conjugation. To get the conjugation for all the subjects, we have a particular rule, right? So I am going to discuss that rule today. So likewise, we have ir and re ending verbs. There are some verbs which are not going to follow some rules like this. So they are called irregular verbs, right? So particularly we can say there are 4 type of verbs in French: er, ir, re, and irregular verbs. So I'll start with er ending verb today. So let me start with er ending. Subjects you already knowing. The verb I am taking, that is parler. So it is ending with er, which means to speak, right? Parler is to speak. And what are the subjects? Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il pluriel, and elle pluriel. You are knowing very well what are the subjects and what are the meanings, but I am telling you once again. I, use singular or informal. Il, that is he. Elle, she. Nous, we. Vous, you, plural or formal. Il pluriel means they, and this indicates a group of boys, and L plurial indicates a group of girls. If boys and girls together, then we use il plurial. Right? Now let's start how to conjugate verb pahle or er ending verb. First we need to cut er from the name of the verb, and rest part of the verb you need to write in front of all the subjects. So what is left? PARL, 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 PARL. Right? It is very easy. Just you have to listen it carefully. Right? After writing the remaining part, we need to add some suffixes. Right? With y, with I or je, we add e at the end. What do we add? E. With you, we add es. With il, we add e again, and with l also. Il and l, you can write like this also, because they always have the same conjugation. Likewise, l plurial and il plurial also. Nu, pahlon, ons, ez, and then ent. Right? As simple as that. We have to write some suffixes. First we are going to cut er, then remaining part we are going to write in front of all the subjects. After that we add some suffixes like with je, e, with tu, es, with il and l, e, and with nu, ons, with vu, ez, and with il and l plurial, ent. And here is your conjugation of this particular verb. So you are not supposed to, or it is not required that you are going to learn, or you can say cram all the conjugation of the verb. So just learn the formula, and you can get all the conjugations, whether it is parle, regarde, aime, prefere, deteste, all the er ending verbs, right? So for that you can see on page number 35. On page 35 it is given that you have given that remove er, then write the remaining part. Okay, and after that they have given the suffixes here, and after that they have solved the verb as well, right? The same verb that I have taken. And one more thing which is important from er ending verb, that is, whenever you are conjugating a verb, if it is starting with a vowel, suppose I am taking the verb aime, the verb is aime. In that case, which means to like or love, you have to remove e from je, and that will become apostrophe, right? So with je only we need to remove e and it will become apostrophe or apostrophe, you can say, and after that you have to follow the same formula. We do this because there are two vowels which are clashing together and with each other, so we have to remove one vowel, that is e, and we'll make it apostrophe. That will happen with all the verbs starting with a vowel, whether it's er or ir or re ending verb, right? So that's all. So I am not taking one more verb. So you can solve different verbs in your own notebook. You have given a big list here. They have given so many verbs which are ending with er. You can try a few of them, and you can go through this conversation also. So I'm doing it right now. So try and do all the ER ending verbs. Try to do all of them so that you should be very good at ER ending verbs, right? So let's start it. J'aime le couleur bleu. I love the color blue, right? Then j'aime couleur rouge. I love the red color. Je porte une chemise. I wear a blue shirt. Je porte une jupe rouge. I am wearing a red skirt, right? So this is how to write the ER ending verb. Here I am telling you what are the meanings, right? If I am saying je parle means to speak, I speak. I speak, right? Parler, which means to speak. Now, how to get the translation? That is, first, I speak, you speak, he, she speaks, we speak, you speak, or you all speak, and they speak. One more important thing, whenever you are conjugating a verb in present, we have two type of sentences. Number one, simple present, and number two, present continuous as well. And with the same conjugation, you can say I am speaking, you are speaking, he, she is speaking, we are speaking, you all are speaking, they are speaking. So this is according to the context, whether you are describing something which happens daily or which a person do usually, or you are describing something which is going on. So both type of text can be described with the same conjugation, right? So that's all for today. I hope you are going to copy all this in your notebook and try to solve the back exercises related to ER ending verbs, so that you should know whether you are getting it or not. And at the end, I would say all the very best. Work hard, learn all the exercises, back exercises of the chapters, and vocab carefully, so that you should attempt all the questions in your exam. So till then, wait for the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.